Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to repair your headphones EDIFIER W830NB using application. You have to start by open the application and now go to settings at the right top. Then go to Bluetooth settings right here at the bottom, and right here we have repair. Click on it and confirm. Now hide the application and open settings. Click on your headphones to connect them, and now you can return to the application. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!